What? Did the game just crash on us? Okay, maybe we play the disc version of the game then, huh? How do you throw the grenades though? Okay, since it's zombie apocalypse, I guess it's a PD. So let's check the public domain and see what's up there. There we go, zombie apocalypse. Including the source code, crazy. Let's try the ECS OCS machine in that regard. Oh. Mama. Mama. Oh, the question. Amiga zombie apocalypse manual. I want to know what the what do you press to throw the bombs? That's working. We're gonna figure it out. Mama. Mama. This game. The full-on zombie apocalypse. Okay, now it's loading. There we go. Ah, right click. Just pressing right click is grenade. Do you think the bonus is higher the accuracy is? I can tell. I can tell. I can tell. Ooh, there's speed running here. Okay, better accuracy, but we're still away from that first place. I guess this apocalypse is gonna go on for a while. Rootin' tootin' zombie shooting. Good morning, two-step bootin'. How we dootin'? No, I wanted the grenades. But there we go. How's the weekend so far? Have you been out yesterday, Steppy, or how has the weekend been planned so far for you, sir? We're still going full strong doing zombie runs here. Full exciting. Mama! Gotta love the slowdowns. Oh, he was about to shoot a grenade. But as boring as this looks, it's super fun actually. 3 more, come on. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, our guitarist hosted a concert at our local youth center. It was wild. Crazy. It was yesterday. What? Do you have videos of it? And Tuck? Also, thank you for the follow. Azotapetitos. Quite the name you got there, sir. Quite the name you got there. How you doing? Thank you so much for joining our stream and our cause. We're just doing all the Amiga games, as you can see. They're very much enjoyable, that I can tell you for sure. It's getting close. I think we're close to dying if we don't watch out. Ooh, that was close. But the world record so far was 169k, so we almost got it. Fuck. Not good, not good, not good. Okay. They are the biggest threat. So many zombies to micromanage. Come on. Oh my god, this is getting close now. Oh, wow. 10 kilos, suck. Then if someone recorded. Imagine. Okay, let's see how far we can wait, man. It's a good frame limit, I think. Basically, the grenades are the lifelines at this point. We cannot afford anyone more to pass. Okay, nice new grenade helps with that though. Oh, yeah, now it's over. Yeah. Oh, we survived that. Okay, crazy. Oh, almost the grenade. We needed the grenade. Fuck. But that score works out. Question is now, what's the new map? Oh, we're back to the start. Oh, we cycled through the game once at least. Okay. 377,735.